Chad, what's going on, baby? Yo, we look like we're in a nightclub here, bro. I love it. But Chris, how you doing, brother?
I'm good. I'm doing good. Got that aircon working. I was a little bit musty in here, Chad. I'm not gonna lie. It was musty, really. It was giving sweatshop vibes, but we're good now. We're good.
Oh, Chad, I hope you guys are ready for this. Market's looking very, very good. I hope you guys paid attention in the morning session. Again, we're going to talk about it. The analysis on point this morning, literally to the T. And not only that, but again, guys, I think if you're in Project G, you better watch out this weekend because these gray boxes, I'm telling you, there's something magical about them, guys. They're in the water. Price just moves off of them. But other than that, guys, before we get ready and we start jumping into this, Chris, you're going to open us up with prayer there, bro.
I will. Chad, let's get ready. We're not in a nightclub. I don't know. We'll see. We still have room to play with the lights and see where we go with it. But anyways, Father, we just want to thank you for another day. Thank you for blessing us with health. Thank you for blessing us with a sound mind. Father, thank you for giving us the ability to do what we love, and we really want to thank each and every one of the members being here. Father, I pray that you will be with them as well. Everyone that hears the sound of our voice, please guide us in today's session. Give us wisdom, and if we reach success, if we don't even reach success, we are still going to give you honor. We're still going to give you praise, and we just want to thank you for being with us. Go with us in the session. We pray that you will send your angels forth to form a hedge of protection around us, around this office, around our members. And we give you all of the honor, the praise, and the glory in Jesus' name. Amen.
Amen. There we have it, Chad. All right. That's all we needed, guys. I hope you guys are ready for this one. It's going to be a good one. So before we get going, you guys know, obviously, we're going to jump over to the fundamentals and see what happened out here today. So again, big one, where we start looking here, obviously we had GDP news this morning, and then at 2:30, a little while ago, we had unemployment claims come out. Big one there, obviously 235, expecting a little bit of a higher number, 236, and a big move to the top side, 249. So we're definitely seeing the weaker dollar start to print over there. And on the first, we are starting it off straight away. 4 o'clock, obviously, final manufacturing PMI, 345. And then 4 o'clock, ISM manufacturing PMI. So again, a 48.8 and again a 49.5. So a flat number and a higher number. So again, we are anticipating some dollar weakness coming in here for this session. Going to be an interesting one. We're going to see what happens there. Maybe it aligns with the T2 and the firecracker, who knows, but we're going to see what happens. So when we start looking at the charts, guys, let's see what there is. So again, when we see here, guys, gold, dollars, sorry. Again, we spoke about this literally perfectly this morning. We wanted to see the move all the way back up to this level over here of resistance, and we can see that happening there. What did I say to you guys? We wanted to see dollar trade back up, hit this level, and then come all the way back down to either the EQ, daily pivot, possibly even the weekly S1, where we're going to see us start to range and just probably finish off the day until tomorrow. But again, what does that mean? In a nutshell, we want to see a little bit of bearish momentum off the dollar before it just starts to range in New York session. So what does that mean for the indices? So indices, again, I said to you guys, I'm pretty much neutral, and this is purely because when we look here, we've been making the move to the downside. We've obviously got this range to go full. So NASDAQ, I wouldn't be surprised seeing, again, a similar move to the downside, and then that big burst back up into, taking out maybe the highs, getting around about their monthly pivots, where either we can break past quickly to go test this zone. We can still see, you guys, NASDAQ's still got the gap over here to close. Otherwise, we can fill that, or we're just going to park the bus under after the monthly pivot, and we're going to leave this gap and then all the momentum to the downside open for debate for NFP tomorrow. So again, first a little bit of bearish momentum and then the pullback. US 30, again, pretty much the same thing, guys. We are looking here, big moves off of the top there. So on the daily, as much as you want to be trading here, we did see rejection yesterday off the weekly R1 and this resistance level. So again, when we start talking on the 4 hour, we can see the big move over there. Naturally, your swing high, trading back down again, the retest, holding the weekly R1, now back at Asia highs. So again, we can see that move slowly coming into the downside. Again, the EQ daily pivot. And what did we talk about this morning? I said to you guys 48.20 specifically. And again, when we said that nice round number, why did we say that? We said because on the 15 we could see that 200 lurking over there. And there you guys had it spot on, guys. Again, literally all of this given to you this morning. If you guys are sleeping on it, you know what? I can't help you. I can't take the spoon. I can't put it in your mouth. I can't make you chew and then teach you how to swallow. Like, you've at least got to take some steps yourself. So what are we doing now? We're seeing the move over there. Two things. We either break in once above this weekly R1, US cities on the ball to run. Otherwise, we are coming back down, which again, if we get a surprise here with the news, I wouldn't say all of this big downwards momentum wouldn't be off the cards if we get a surprise with the fundamentals coming out. Then lastly, with gold, what are we looking at? Very, very simply, of course, we're still bullish, but we need to be bullish in, again, a considerable way. So we can see, obviously, we got range here to the left, but first thing we're going to get past is Asia highs. And again, we have our own little 4-hour level here. So we can see over there, this was quite an area of support for us. So we can mark it off with where that top wick was. Let's just get that out there. So already now we can see that becomes a first thing we got to break through. So on the 15, what are we looking at? We said to you guys this previous daily high. Now two things are going to happen. Either we can hold this previous daily high, and again, we go back for Asia highs. We want to see maybe Asia highs tested, the pullback, holding this level of support, the big break, and then that pump of volume all the way back to the weekly R2. But again, if we fail over here and we get that surprise we keep talking about here, you've had your retest. This can be your fail of support, breaking back under the previous daily high, and we can see the big move all the way back to the downside, as I said, possibly weekly R1, and even back to the daily S1, the monthly pivot over there. We have seen it, no test on the breakaway, and the same thing we spoke about with US30, the 15-200 all the way down here lurking around. So pretty much everything from my side, guys. Over to Chris.
Thanks, Keegs. Yeah, Chad, data coming out somewhat softer here, a little bit earlier. And very interesting. Dollar is, like I said this morning, I don't have a clear read on the dollar, purely due to the fact that we had this consolidation range there. We broke out to the upside, we broke down to the downside. We are back close to the weekly pivot. Thank you so much. Back to the weekly pivot. There's that key level to go and retest. It is choppy, Chad. It is ugly. Yeah, it is a chop fest. So don't break your brain over it. If you don't have a read on it, perfect. You stay out. You keep it moving. So weekly pivot here. We've tested the weekly R1. We've tested the weekly S1. We're gonna need to see what NFP does. Okay. Data coming out a little bit softer as well. A little bit earlier. We've got some data still to come out next 46 minutes. PMI, baby, get ready for that. 5-minute time frame. What do we have? 5 minute is showing me that we are still super bullish. There's that daily EQ. 200 5-minute EMA, 200 15-minute EMA. Chad, that's all I'm saying. Go do your homework. There's guys killing it with just using this. Simple. Keep it simple. Keep it moving. Weekly pivot here. Daily R1, key level up there. I still don't know what price is doing. While it's staying above the 200, it is looking bullish. 80 is looking bullish. What are we doing? I'm going to wait and see what the data is doing. US30 daily is super bullish. I said it's an easy push to the upside to go and fill that wick. Is the data going to drive us to the upside? I don't know. 4-hour, nice little 4-hour consolidation. Is this getting ready to pop out now, create a new high? Could be, could very well be. 5-minute time frame. What do we have? Grinded down London, came back above 80, said, okay, hold on to my beer. I'm going bullish. It is looking bullish, Chad, while we're holding above the daily EQ, the 200. Asia highs have now been tested. I want to say we are only really super bullish once we get above here. Okay. weekly R1. Anything in between here can still chop the heck out of us, and it could get very ugly in here. So let's see what we have a little bit later. Nasdaq, okay, daily. No coincidence that we are finding some type of resistance here in this zone, because if you believe in head and shoulders, knees and toes, if you've got children you would know, but this is this is a previous breakout zone. We're testing it. There's the monthly pivot, so there's always going to be some rejection up there. 4 hour time frame, Chad. Nice break. Like I said this morning, we can really come back all the way here, and maybe even tomorrow get that nice push to the upside. So let's see. 5 minute time frame. Previous daily high holding strong, but Nasdaq ugly, Chad. Daily pivot, weekly pivot down here. Let's see if we can maybe push all the way there, then up. Otherwise, I'm gonna say very simple. Look for buys above here. All right. Gold. Let's look at gold. Gold has been just destroying dreams. I'm bullish. I'm expecting either by today or by tomorrow. We're trading here, Chad. 24.70. We're attacking that level. 4 hour. Beautiful. Look at that. 4 hour breakout. Continuation pattern. I'm bullish. Am I going to cry a little bit later? I don't know. Previous daily high there. There's that 4 hour zone, that 4 hour flat body resistance area. Previous daily high, key level there to monitor. What is the grid? Okay, beautiful. Grid is telling me if we hold here, Chad, we are solid to go higher, all right? However, the grid is also telling me if gold cannot hold this previous daily high, it is in trouble to potentially go lower. But I'm bullish. I'm looking for buys. Yes, that is me, Chad, looking for buys. And then the firecracker strat. Let me just see before that. Tell me.
Look what it is. Look what it is. It's not going to be that uncomfortable today.
Bro, that's good.
That's comfortable, bro. I'm comfortable with this one.
Sure. Okay.
Chad,
I was hoping for that. Beautiful.
T2 and the V2 firecracker. We are looking for bars today, guys. Bars. So you guys know, again, we're going to ask and we'll tell you guys about it, but we are looking for bars. But it's a lot more comfortable, bro. Yesterday was a TP, but it was uncomfortable. This is comfortable.
Chad, a firecracker keeping us young. I imagine this is what older guys feel like when they get divorced and they get married to a young, get a young wife.
Was that bro?
I think, bro, this is what I think they're feeling. This is what they're chasing. They should have just come and traded firecrackers. Much cheaper. You don't have to do anything. It's just you and your trading account. Much better.
Oh, wow. US study strat coming up. Yeah. I'm for sure. Yeah, guys, it's a different ball game trading US study. But it's, you know what, guys? I must say I'm loving it. I feel young again. I feel like I'm literally a new trader. Like I'm just getting back into the markets. Feeling that love again.
The firecracker.
Yeah.
And if it goes to that level, bro, I don't even mind taking a loss then. Not that I want to take a loss, but it's
Nah, Peter, we loving it, bro. We're loving it. I bet you it's a firecracker. What ad block are you using, bro? Nah, it's gonna be good. I'm ready for this. Come on. All right, guys. Also, just a little bit of admin key. So full margin, yes, or half. I'm going
What's
half. Because yeah, we allow for the pullback. So remember we saw this
60,
yesterday.
60 point stop.
So it will be
yeah.
a 60 pip stop, and I go 0.5% because I allow for the pullback. And if we do get a pullback, I start to scale in. I'm scared of USD. USD is a scary pair, not for the weak, 100%. I was gonna say something. Oh, what I was gonna say, guys, a little bit of admin. Tomorrow is the I wouldn't say podcast, but I'll show the Friday show. That is going to be starting at 12 o'clock tomorrow. So normally we'll do one. Tomorrow we got to obviously do 12. Reason being is we need time when the show finishes just to reset up, obviously for Project G guys, because we will be trading NFP live with them. So it's going to be 12 to 1 tomorrow for the Friday
I
show,
really
guys.
changed it, yeah.
Just so everyone is aware on that.
Ryan, it's a pleasure, my brother.
Hey Keegs, you think what is happening on Venezuela is affecting gold? I mean, DXY going up, gold going up. There's a lot of geopolitical stuff that's happened. I mean, the whole stuff with Israel that happened. So there is some geopolitical things that are obviously getting gold up and about and going. Increase, thank you. Last night's support dropping the DSR, so the now just off the morning stream. Much pleasure, brother. Full margin today on US.
Oh, we did an analysis, my brother. Just go to the start of the stream. Chris, eat your peanut butter cement. Yes. We got a new toaster. I think the setting is a little bit. This thing is crusty. If you catch it at a wrong angle, it will literally cut the inside of your mouth. Like the palate of your mouth will bleed. Yeah. No, it's.
Yeah, my brother there. Just go back. We already did do gold, so just go back in the stream. You'll find the gold analysis.
Can you guys hear that?
What? You tune? A little bit, not the whole time. But like when you get close to the mark, yeah.
Yeah, I think it's tough, man. I think it did clap my palate a little bit. All right, kids, let's get your horn. There we go. Just gonna turn that aircon down a little bit. It's working now.
Chris, just go pee so we can TP. We need to get like a bathroom here, guys. Like a little porta potty for Chris just to go pee in out of the studio. And it's not even that far, guys. Like literally the bathroom is like, well, one of the bathrooms is right next door to the studio. Don't say that. You'll just get a bottle under the table. Guys, does anyone know what happened to Carsonet? I'm seeing a video. Yeah, Carsonet didn't deserve this. What happened there? I don't know. So I'm asking them if anyone there knows. Obviously, I can't like watch the video now. Chris, you and Keegan give such valuable information for free, but other mentors are charging 200k for mentorship. It's just something I've been wondering. Appreciate y'all. Nah, bro. As you said, we do this for the people.
Who said that?
Thing is, we've always said this, and it's that whole short story. If you are a trader and you need money, well then trade and make money. If you got to get people to rather the masses of your income come from teaching people how to do some stuff, doing it, there should be a problem.
Cameraman came clean about it. Wait, probably something to do with Ray.
His cameraman got caught sexting a minor.
Oh.
Hey, what is going on, guys? First there was
Yeah, I don't know.
Doc got caught with the minor. Then it was what's that new guy, bro? He also just joined FaZe Lacey. His cameraman got caught. I don't know if it was with a miner, but I think that was
Nah,
caught.
bro, it's not on. It's not on.
Yo.
And then you've got Vitali hunting pedos. Have you seen that? Bro, yes, dude, I love it. Chad, gold's already moving away from the previous daily high. Check at that. But yeah, we'll see. Still a bit of data coming out. 30 more minutes. Hopefully this US 30 play is in and out before then. But yeah, I'm excited.
Dr. Disrespect posted yesterday. I couldn't even care what they managed to say now. I really couldn't care.
Is Dr. Disrespect also a pedo?
He got caught like 16 and like while away.
Ooh, Dr. Disrespect.
Yeah.
So, bro, what?
He was the first one. He was the first one that like started this trend at the moment. Like it's messed up that we can literally say it's a trend at the moment. But
I don't know if you're watching. Sorry, man. I don't know if it's like just you can just say yes or no in the chat. I'm gonna chat to you through here. You don't have to stand up. Just see if like is yeah. Just give me a 1 in the chat, like if you're here.
I was gonna say I don't know where you're going with this.
Like
I don't think he's there, bro.
Mo.
Dr. D is initiator 1. His secret hitter is that Laik.
Hey, I've never seen Secret Hitler yet. Nice to see.
I don't think that's Laik, bro.
No, I don't think that's like. Let me just. I was gonna ask him to join the stream.
All right, we got 2 minutes till market open, Chad. 2 minutes.
So they're actually doing work today. That is incredible. It is me. All right, Secret Hitler.
Okay, so you wanted him to be here, now what?
No, on stream. Yeah, it's not.
Keeks Cat Williams called a long time ago. He said in an interview beginning of the year that things are going to be revealed this year. Oh damn. US 30 already going wild. What's with US 30? Guys, we said we're looking for buys, so we're just waiting for market open. And then you get guys like Nick Merckx that gets backlash for calling out people and telling them to leave kids alone. Society for it. Now, guys, I'm a massive Nick Merckx fan. I've even shown him to Chris. I love Nick Merckx. Calling it as it is. Doesn't give a shit. Again, very real and raw. Like, he'll swear. He'll do what he wants. And if you step out of line, he doesn't care who you are. He'll tell you that you stepped out of line.
Yo, bro, we might even take it at the open.
We're trading NAS vandaag aand.
So I thought we want to do a scene where both of our charts are. So a little camera in picture and then maybe the chat in the middle. So both of me and Keegan can share our charts. Just chat to Mo, but we're going to do some firecrackers now. Keeks, okay, so if it breaks down, it just needs to break a range, eh?
Yeah.
But where it's now, so we can't take it. We need it to actually break the other range.
It either needs to break up or break down.
Okay.
Yeah. And that's it, guys. Round 8. Let's go, baby.
Okay, let me just get ready.
Hope you're locked in.
Yo.
Bro, this is still uncomfortable, but to be fair,
No, it's still
we've had to do this a few
yeah.
times, and then we were trying to sell it. Where at least this time it's like it's going up, and we just want to jump on. We just want to jump on the bus.
Yo, okay, here we go, Chad. Holy.
Yo, Chad.
moly.
Okay, remember we are looking for buys, so we're gonna let you guys know. It's probably very shortly we're gonna be in. We are breaking that level of ours now, but you know we are looking for buys.
Firecrackers are here. Okay, Keeks, this is gonna be super uncomfortable, my bro. Okay.
All right,
5,
Chad.
4, 3, 2, 1. I'm in.
We in, Chad.
Took my first punt. Let me just get the stops. Okay, there we go.
Why do we do this ourselves, bro?
Your heart rate's already
Alright.
elevated.
Alright, Chad, we are in on that closure. 60 pop.
Okay, and if it pulls back, I'm gonna add. There we go. Let's see if we can get in and out here today.
Let's see ya, Chad. Come on. For once. It doesn't. It's still, bro. How was it like this felt good, and now when we had to execute, it felt bad again.
Because we actually wanted to execute. You know what level we wanted to execute.
We wanted to execute like, guys. I promise you now, Chris and myself, we wanted to execute like, yeah. We were hoping it was gonna pull back a bit, and then.
Yo,
but hey, that is not how things happened.
okay, here we go.
I mean, so far there's, nothing too wrong.
I couldn't add or anything.
Bro, that's the thing. You only scale if it goes into your stop. If it doesn't go to your stop, you just chill.
I'm out TP. Come on, baby.
I'm still going, bro. My TP is still 60 pips.
Didn't you get 60? I got 60, bro. 1%. Boom.
Nah, bro, but I want 2. If I'm risking 60, I want.
No, I don't do it. And
Uh,
also, the thing is, there's no range to target. It's you hear what I'm saying. That's why I took it. If it was the other way around, then obviously you can target.
Yeah. I get what
So I go 60 irrespective. So the pullback days are a bonus for me.
Yeah. Nah, I get what you're saying, bro. I get what you're saying.
I'm out. Chad, beautiful. 60.
Come on, Chad, baby.
That is me. Beautiful. Done. Now I can focus on gold.
Bro, this is like free money.
That is
Free money. Now you go trade gold.
Chad, I just want to show the guys here quickly.
We just obviously, Chad, remember we leave it for R&D. So no matter what happens, we leave it for the R&D to see if it has been there. But there was your one. Oh, let me just put you quickly. Where exactly was TP? There was TP, Chad, right there. Just so we all in agreement, yeah.
Quickly, yeah. So, Chad, yeah. So trade alerts. There was the buy, right there. So executed the buy. Just modified the stops, 60 points. Then just the new TP, also 60 points, and they closed due to take profit. So in and out, boom, boom.
All right, we really can focus on gold now, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna go over to gold. Shot kicks, that firecracker was mint.
Was mint, baby. Was mint.
All right, so now I'll check gold first.
Bro, it's literally like what? 30 minutes into the whole stream, 3 minutes into the open, and the chat's just like W's.
No, that's a dub. That for me, 60. I didn't go more than 6. Chat. So, just to give you guys an idea,
there's nothing wrong. Like it's a solid move.
So that's why I say me and Keegan's got. It's the same strat, same entry criteria, different trade management. For me, I go 1% first position, 60 point stop, 60 point take profit. If I get the pullback, 30 points, I add the same position size. That's the bonus. So never more than 1.5% risk. And then it gives me almost a 2% return.
Yeah.
But I'm happy with that, bro. That for me, in and out, done and dusted.
No, 100%, bro. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that.
Bro, imagine the New York streams become like 20 minutes. Like everyone,
Yo,
hey, chat.
bro. Just
Guys,
everyone locks in for 20 minutes.
20
Bang.
minutes. Like, how do these guys only trade for 20 minutes every single day?
Yo, people are going to be so confused, bro. And it's like they only trade for 20 minutes and they kill it. Like, what is going on? Yeah, people will be so confused, bro.
That strat is boss. Yeah, bro. That strat is. I told Keeks if I took that that day where it literally licked my TP, and if I closed that, it was 1.5. Yesterday, if I just moved stops to break even, that was 4%, so that is 5.5. I could have been sitting on 8%, but now I'm only sitting positive 1.2%. So
like when you think of it, hey, bro, like literally
it's like
that.
inches.
Nah, bro, this strat works, guys. It works.
So are you going 120 point TP?
Michael, so the guys get insight to it, but they don't get taught the strat, because that's the thing. I'm not going to teach people, for example, like that. Like, you can join a strat. Technically, it's for $750, because that means you can sign up for 1 month, get the strat, leave. And the same way, guys, other mentors can join, take it, and sell it, which is not what we want. So it will never, ever be taught completely to you guys, but they will get insights to it.
Champ, there's no gambling here. It is actually very methodical. It's very mechanical. So we had the buys before we went. We've got a certain range that we look at, and as soon as that range breaks, we execute. So there's nothing gamble about it.
Come on, full TP gang.
There's absolutely nothing gambling about it.
Full TP gang.
The thing is, you guys don't see what we see on the other side. There's a specific thing that me and Keegan look at, and that is what we can't tell you.
Keys, have you been back testing this as well? Back tested it, forward testing. That's why you've seen all this. Back testing, honestly, is a bunch of bullshit. Because you're taking emotions, you're taking all that out of it.
No, you guys can just take it.
Look at it, and then take it forward test it.
You guys can just take the trades with us every single day. We don't have to teach you anything. Just take the trades with us every single day.
Yeah, as I say, guys, I'm serious about it. Like, it won't ever be taught. So the guys can trade it and look at everything how they want to, but yeah, it's not getting taught. Obviously we have news coming out now, so we're gonna see what happens over there.
I'm still down 1% for the week. It's better than being down 3%. So we're clawing back, Chad. Clawing
back for it there, bro.
Alright, gold is...
Hey, I'm officially 0.5% closer to break even.
Who's that, Carl?
Carl.
Yes, Carl.
That's it, bro. Just chip away. Just chip away.
No, battery, it's not that it stops working. It's just we won't share it because there's people... we'll share it with you can trade it live with us every single day, but there's guys on here, I promise you, that's literally, there's even somebody selling that signal we just took, that's selling that to people. And the thing about the truth is it's going to come out. So one of these days somebody's going to say, hey guys, did you see John sharing the exact... We already caught one influencer. Like, not even, it doesn't even wait a little. It's literally every single trade, like, to the T. NFP overall direction, yeah, the overall direction will be established tomorrow. I agree. The overall direction will be established. This is weird because on our signal group, we just received the buy signal on the US30 just after 3. There you go, Super Caesar. What signal group was that? What signal group is that? Hey, guys are entrepreneurs. They will sit here on the streams because we can't see. That's the thing. There's almost 200 people watching. I don't know what entrepreneur is sitting behind there.
Yeah, the thing is, guys, and we've seen it. Literally now, for example, there's guys in Project G that have memberships. So what the hell are you doing in our membership group?
Your mentors in our group.
Oh, bro, that's just classic. First time trading yesterday, I've been watching from the sidelines. #W. Still holding for full TP at Keegs. No, remember, guys. Okay, hold on, guys. Remember, firstly, we literally, so Chris and everyone, Chris jumped out over here.
1-1. Yeah.
There's your 1-1. Okay? Chris jumped out there. We told everyone else to jump out there. Then I said to you guys, we're leaving this here purely because we're waiting for it to see on the R&D. We need to see, did it go full? Didn't it go full? What did it do? I'm not in the trade, guys. I'm literally, you guys need to listen. Chris can tell you there. Chris, am I in the trade?
No. You took it off where? Top.
At when we closed at 1%.
Yeah.
And I told you, we're only leaving it on the screen for R&D.
Yeah.
I need that for the data.
No, Keegan, that's that chat. You took it up there somewhere, 1%.
We still said, yeah, guys, because remember, okay, hold on. Guys, we can go back here on the chat. I still said I'm holding for TP2. And then Chris still said, but our TP is 60 pips. And then I was like, oh shit, that is correct. And I closed. And then as we said, but we want to see, does it still do a 1 to 2 then? And that's where it went. So I still closed at 1%, guys. I can show you the charts. I can show you anything you want to see.
444 signals. Who the hell is 444? Do you refund them keys? No, we actually left the one guy in.
We left it because we want to see his group. The thing is, if we can find your group, you get an option. You either close your group down, and we are happy to teach you. Otherwise, you will then be kicked, and then you'll be refunded.
Yeah, because the thing is, this chat, if you've got a community, me and Keeks had a chat about it. You've got a trading community. Why are you asking them money? If you want to be taught as well. You hear what I'm saying? So it's not fair to those guys. Rather tell those guys there's a free YouTube channel twice a day. They don't have to join Project G. I'm just meaning, like, what is the agenda? Because I'm so busy, I'm not gonna have time to still go on somebody else's mentorship program and see, oh yeah, what is this guy doing?
Okay, hold on. I hear you, Chris. I hear you, but your actions and Keeg's actions have a type of uncertainty, almost like should I or not, even though you have the buyers, and it happens always before you take the trade. Okay.
It's still forward testing, champ. Here's the thing, champ. So there's only one thing that we are still not 100% sure on, and that's why you do forward testing. We've got the bias, check. We've got the entry criteria, check. The only thing we're still doing is how do we manage the trade. That's also why Keegan.
How big should the trades be? Where's the average TP going to be? If you did a 1-to-1, as we said, look, bang, there's your 1-to-1. Then you hit TP. But if I hit a 1-to-2, even a 1.5, that's the thing. We that's the point of forward testing. So yes, you can have
the trade
strategy. We comfortable in, very confident in. But the management of the trade, as Chris is saying, where stops go, where TPs go, all those type of things, how is a trade allowed to be scaled in?
Yeah, just delete that because people are...
This?
Yeah, just delete. It's okay, there it would have if you went for more than... Let's just
We'll just do that where we flip and close then.
let's just show them this. Okay, that was. Let me go there.
Just so they can
That
see.
is what we took. Okay, we took the bars there, closed it out there. So champ, there's trade management will be figured out. It will be waxed there. Actually, a little bit more, 65 points. We were only going for 60, but there you go. No need to.
Yep.
And also, champ, here's the thing. You don't have to take it, my bro. That's the beauty of it. You can just watch us forward test it. And then later on, when it's perfect, then even you still don't have to take it. That's the beauty. You don't have to take anything. That's why we've got the disclaimer, purely for education and entertainment purposes.
No one's making you take the trades. So if you're not happy with them,
Yeah.
don't take them. Thing is, guys, you have to understand, Chris and myself don't sit here and trade if we're not on stream. So we can't sit and forward test if we're not sitting here. So
Yeah.
when we need to forward test, we on stream. So we have to forward test in front of you. I don't take all the trades they take, and I take trades they don't take. It's up to you what you do at the end of the day. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, Peter.
No, but Champ knows this. Champ, you've been with us, my brother. Don't be weird now. I think, don't be weird. Let's keep it moving. That's true. Management in general is key. You can be a sole supplier of potatoes with no competition and still make loss. Eskom is an example. Yes, Liesel, there you go. Like we said, I don't believe in R&D. I take the trade. I believe you need to take it as if your life depends on it. I started taking it last week with Keegs. We already ironed out one thing, saying that a 30-point stop does not make sense. 60. We already discussed that we add if we in 30 points drawdown.
To be fair, the 30 pip does work, but then you can't scale in.
No, and you're gonna
The
also
scaling in goes off the option, because to be fair, the
Yes.
30 pip absolutely destroyed phase 1, and that was during the 30 pip. So it's kind of like there's pros and cons. You've used the bigger one, but like we say, it allows you to scale in, and then you go to TP, you're going to be hitting much bigger TPs.
Yes.
But if you use a smaller one, you're a lot more aggressive, get your TPs quicker. But yeah, so there's pros and cons here.
Tennis Savage, let's keep it moving. Another t-shirt right there. Amina, R&D, research and development. So I don't know if you've heard, like, big companies have a R&D department that purely does research and development. Don't be weird. Yes, that also. Don't be weird. Chad, here's the thing, man. You guys have, a lot of you guys have been with us since day one. Since we started 13 months ago. You've seen us on days where we didn't want to be here. You've seen us on days where we looked like we wanted to cry. You've seen us clap hands for wins. You've seen it all. And especially somebody like Champ. Champ has been around in our corner for how long? So I don't know, Champ. Come on, my brother.
Oh, my question's coming through.
Yes, sorry, Michaela. Sorry. You were asking about Asia highs. Are you referring to, what are you referring to? Gold? Yes. So if we're going to take it here, only thing is the news is coming out in 10 minutes and it's a red fold event. I'm not going to trade into the news event. Okay. What I will do is I'll wait for the news. I'll trade the aftermath. But what's going to happen is if we trade it from this previous daily high, our first target is Asia highs, and then after that, daily R1. So,
Butchka, I've been here since 4K subs. Will be here till 1 mil and beyond. Hey, we love it, bro. We love it.
most of these guys weren't even around when the horn came into play. Hey.
Hey.
When did the horn come into play? Because
The horn came into play shortly after the aeroplane.
the 1K.
Yeah, when it was the attention
Oh,
passengers.
yeah. And it came actually from my son or somebody's birthday, and I brought it to the office. And it's Chad. Quickly throw it here. It is literally, it has been used. There's been the 24-hour stream. If you get a dermatologist, there's like a species developing on here. I don't know. This is most probably the most unhygienic thing.
Hey, and Ryan there, Billy the goat.
Bro, how unhygienic are we with this thing?
All the real ones know Billy.
Chad, even this paper, I'm going to actually try and repair this piece of paper, but even the paper, it's a little bit torn. So that's why you won't see it push out. But the thing is, this is the horn. When you talk about the horn, the guys know. Like we've even when we moved offices, this was taken out of the office first, and it was like put in the car. Like we said, where is the horn?
Literally.
Bro,
like when we retire it, and we're gonna have a wall.
We never retire. Like this place
when it dies, we're gonna have to retire it.
It won't die.
My thing is,
I rebuke that negative.
When we're gonna have a wall, we actually spoke about this. We're gonna have a wall of like memories and like trophies. 100% like Billy, the horn, all those things are gonna go on the wall one day.
Guys, we are not replacing that horn. Ed actually bought us a massive pack, and it was here, and I said no. We don't want 20 horns. There's something special. That horn has seen it all. Okay. That is the horn of horns. Buy a pack from... No, Michaela. We're keeping it. You need to put it in a cabinet. James, no, man, I'm not being weird. I understand. I like Kick said there's pros and cons. So yes, I'm looking forward to final stages. Yes, champ, follow along, man. It's literally the only thing now. We already have the scaling in. I'm happy with that. The only thing I'm looking at now is to potentially give some of the trades a little bit more room. And Keegan knows exactly what I was talking about. Even now with that trade we took now. Keegs, you see what I meant? There's no range to target. But if it was... So there's still going to be fine tweaks in terms of when stops go to break even. And when we don't go for 1-to-1, but we actually go for an extended target. Like yesterday I wanted to go for an extended target, and there was a clear reason. Keegan knew what the reason was. I knew what the reason was. My wife didn't know, but she didn't ask anyway. So
5 minutes, guys, till PMI. Obviously, final manufacturing came out that a little bit higher, but ISM, the big one, they are expecting a higher print as well. So let's see.
Oh, yeah, Keenan, but Keenan, shame, JV. We don't want to throw you under the bus. But bro, you didn't even have it paid.
Oh my
word! He was lying. He was lying. He felt cock was stream. JV, I'm sorry.
Show me that second charge. No, but over here. No, show me it.
Yeah, sorry, man. I think shame. If you take it back where Javin started, his first trade, Chad, I'll never forget it. JV shares a trade. That thing penetrates the stop, and this man looks like he wants to cry, and he's like, yo guys, I'm so sorry, and and he's like mourning. He's mourning the loss. And straight after the stream, I'm like, JV, come sit here. I'm like, oh, you're right. He's like, yo, I fed the stream a stop, and I'm like, dude, listen, yeah, when we trade on stream, that is your trade. That's why we do a disclaimer. Like, people don't have. You're not trading for the people. Just take your normal trade. And just own up. If you took a loss, we go on, we move. And it was like, oh really? I'm like, yeah, bro, it's your trade. And that's how he got comfortable. But that first loss, pure, that man looked like he wanted to cry.
Well, that was rough.
Yo. No, Keenan, but JV has fed the guys some ugly stops, my bro. Some ugly, like, where I can even see internally that man is fighting some demons.
Chris, I've been monitoring you and Keys take a trade, and I've been trying it on my own. I kept hitting a stop loss due to not managing my stop loss properly. When I see you gents smashing TPs, I get inspired. Awesome, bro. You 100% you're gonna get them, my man. Like you say, it's everyone to their own, how they want to adapt, how they want to test it, how they manage it. A stop is a stop. There's more opportunities to come. No, exactly. That's all it is, guys. No one died. Everyone's good. You take another trade.
Okay, let's see. 4 minutes.
I think this is really gonna open up a bit now, bro. With what this PMI comes out as. Those falling knives, but hey, those tips go wild with Jeff, so worth the pain. Yeah, bro. How many times that man tried to catch a falling knife?
Sure.
Hey.
But one thing I can say that I added value to Jeff, and he'll tell you, was that man was always swinging for the fences.
Yeah.
And he would be up like 15 R. And he comes back the next day, and I'm like, yo, well done. He's like, you got stopped out at break even. I'm like, what do you mean break even? He's like, no, but my TP was a 50 R. And I'm like, JV, no, man. I'm like, that's it, entire day. Like, stop it, pay yourself.
Yeah, that was.
I had to fight him to say, bro, take profit. He would have a week where I thought he was killing it, then he was down. Because he was swinging for 50 R trades. And that's how he got the BBL as well, when he started paying himself.
Yeah. Then the KFC doubled.
The Uber Eats BBL JV.
BBL JV.
I will say at a tiny, yes, he had, Peter. He had. That's the thing with a small stop loss, is you can take maybe 3 or 4 shots at it, but then again, just to break even again, you need to do a 4R before you can even. Yeah, that's why I don't like the big R trades, because you have to. You're gonna have to roll with the punches.
Yeah.
That's why if you see those traders, oh, I just clapped my best trade. Yeah, 50 R, but then he did like minus 30 R before that 50 R.
Nah, but you know what, guys, and I said to Chris, we spoke about this. It's not being harsh or being rude, but in a way, I'm glad he's in a way walked away from Forex and he's focused on synthetics.
Yeah.
Because he's good at that. That he kills it. So do what you do and make the most out of it. And then work if you're taking profits on the way up and move your stop loss into profits. So you see that is the thing, Peter. But my whole thing is, I always said to guys, they'll be like, okay, partials taken, but the partials is like so tiny. Like yours, let's say you got 100% obviously on the trade, then they'll be like, partials taken. Well, how much do you take? 10%. You've basically left 90% on the table. So there's not really a thing about it. Synthetics kill me, lol. Yo, Jeff murder synthetics. Now he's killing it there.
I won't trade synthetics. I'm alright.
I normally take 50% at each partial level on the way up. Hey. Alright, guys, 10 seconds. Let's see what these numbers came out at, because we might get some more.
Just delete that thing, bro. Just delete that.
What?
That path, because people are weird. People will. Yeah, just delete it.
Man's messing with my R&D here, bro.
I know we've seen the R&D. Ooh, gap up. Jeez Louise. Big miss. Big miss.
Big miss.
Big miss. Alright. Called a little gap up. Alright, Chad. What do we do here?
It is down.
No, it's a big miss. It's a biggie.
Okay, so hold on. Manufacturing PMI is a miss. And manufacturing prices is higher.
Yeah, so that's a little bit inflationary, but slowing down.
Yeah.
So it's cancelling out one another. I think overall that's bad. That's a bad read. Also, employment index down massively. Massive. 2 standard deviations down.
So we got indices taking massive shots here. We got gold jumping. I think the gold bars might be the better option here. What do you think, bro?
No, I'm bullish on gold. Like I said, I'm even thinking 24.70 by the end of the day for gold. Only thing is it gave us an ugly gap here. You check that. Do you also have
gold.
it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Not on the broker feed though, but let's see. Okay, there's Asia highs taken, Chad. Yeah, look, Chad, I'm not scared to take gold at these highs. We just need to hold above a level, retest the level, and we can go. I'm honestly not scared to...
Let's see.
Your stream has actually come a long way. Big ups, James. Tariq, thank you so much, man. Why do I get a feeling NFP is going to be a scary one? Stove, I think NFP is going to be a big A. I think this is going to be the first NFP in maybe 12 months where it's going to be big. I think a lot of guys are going to get caught. But Chad, me and Keegan had a chat about it. This NFP is going to be massive.
Yeah. Nah, I think definitely it's going to be big, bro.
Big. We said buys on gold, Chad. Let me just be clear. We said buys. Please go and check the analysis. So if you caught shorting here, that is there's nothing wrong with it.
There's nothing wrong with it.
Nothing wrong with it. But it's not for me. It's not for me, Chad. Fizzy Bablech. It's not for me. Fizzy Bablech. What is this drink? It's not for me. What is it? Zlatan? No, it's not Zlatan, man. What's the guy's name? Zohan.
Zohan, yeah. Zohan.
Can I put it off, gigs?
Yeah, bro.
Nice and cool in here now.
Where are you wanting to take gold?
I'll take it 24.60. So I'm literally waiting to see if we can do like a little continuation, like a small bearish candle holding above a level. But yeah. Yo, US 30, like I said, chat, choppy. Nasdaq still rejecting our previous daily high, chat. What is dollar doing, Keeks? Dollar. Their weekly pivot. Yeah, let's see.
I think dollar can go back to that key level, bro. If it fails at the weekly S1,
Yeah.
I think that thing can go back down to the 103.450.
That light makes a huge difference. Remember Chris using earphones as a headset and Keeks with the chalk mic. Yo. I mean, Goldman's going to aim for the daily R1. Yeah, definitely. You just need to hold above. Let me just show you here. You just need to hold above here. If you can hold Asia highs, that's what I'm looking for there. Easy. You can even go here. You can even see this daily pushing up to 2468, 2470. You could even see it overnight going, Chad, it could be explosive. You can wake up tomorrow morning and you could be like, do you see gold? But you're going to need to hold above Asia highs. We've taken Asia lows. Now we need to hold Asia highs. Otherwise, what's going to happen is if we break back in the range, they're going to park gold here for tomorrow. Gold's going to be parked here somewhere. And they're going to close it nice doji. Daily open is there. So they're going to give us a nice little doji and they're going to move it tomorrow. Wait, did I use a headset for a mic? Or I remember Chris using earphones. You right, Tariq. Was able to scavenge some pips. Good day for me, I guess. Bro, you know what? I've got mad respect for Keegs. A lot of guys don't know, like Keegan had a very short cable on his headset. And he actually, at the old office, he had to like lean. So you guys thought he was always leaning like this for fun, but that's how short his little wire was. And the one day when I was on that side, I said, Keeks, bro, he's like, no, that's why I lean. I'm like, I thought that's your comfort position. He's like, nah, bro. This is me fighting for my life every single day. I was like, damn, Keeks.
I was gonna say, bro, gold. The fact that everything's not really like jumping, I think there's something funny going on here, bro.
I think they're gonna park it, Keeks.
If US30, I think breaks that previous weekly high, I think US30 is going a bit down, bro.
I think if you want to be aggressive, Chad, you can buy US30.
Buy it.
Aggressiveness. If you want to really be aggressive. If you really want to be aggressive, you buy it now.
Yo, bro.
Previous weekly high. Previous weekly high. And you target Asia lows, daily EQ, daily pivot. I'm not taking it. I'm just saying if you wanna play the firecracker game.
I think the cells look better there, bro.
I think the cells.
You've ranged. Remember I said you've held this over here now. This level. So that was your swing high over there. You've now held this. It is a weekly R1. Weekly your rejection zone. Your monthly pivot is down below you now with all that. The previous daily lows. Yeah. I think this thing can drop quite a bit here.
Firecrackers are telling me something else here. I'm gonna show you something here on the firecracker. One thing.
I think so.
And there's a gap though. There's a gap as well. Yeah, gold just saying, all right, boys, we are not ready to move it now. We're back. The boys are back in town. Firecrackers. I wonder. Oh, I check. Yeah. Damn. Oh, damn.
What's that?
Oh, so that's why. Okay, no, I checked. Yeah. You know, there's extra ranges you can put on,
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Oh, they. Oh, no. Oh, there's it. I might want to take a firecracker. I want to, Keeks, would you? Would you? Yeah, I'm going to take a tiny little. No, I'm too late. No, I'm just going to R&D it. I'm just going to R&D it. Just for that upper. Yes, but it's 100. That is 100 firecrackers there. Yo, Chad. I'm looking at. But you see it, Keeks? Do you see that now?
What?
Go on your firecracker screen.
Yeah.
You see what it printed there? The color.
Bro, so okay, hold on. How you use that, I don't have that set.
Huh?
I told you mine's different to.
Quickly check. But you see what I'm saying? Yeah, Chad. This is the strat that keeps on, because you check where it can go. That's why I said it can go 100 points up.
Yeah,
92 to that. Ooh, okay, I don't want to. Okay, yeah, Chad, we'll just keep it.
You can do it, Chris.
Who said that? Who said that? So there's obviously weight in the color. You hear what I'm saying?
Yeah.
There's definitely something that shifts. But anyways, we'll figure it out. Chris 2 for gold, previous daily market open if you check 5 minutes. Tissy, the thing is, gold is messy now, my bro. It came back to the daily flip zone. It's holding that previous daily high. It rejected Asia highs. For me, it is, like I said, this is typical manipulation price action. Taking a low, Asia lows, taking Asia highs, and then they're going to most probably close it right there at the daily open. So your daily candle is going to be some doji type candle here. It's not going to be a body. Also, we talked about it. Larry Williams always talks about big ranges going to small ranges and small ranges. So it's just going to make a lot of sense if this candle has got a tiny little body, just confusing everybody. And then tomorrow we get the massive candle. All right. So I'm expecting even something like this, today's daily candle, to close like that, and then tomorrow we're going to get a pump, a dump, or a dump, and then a pump. But yeah, Chad, I'm done. I took 1% of the market. I don't know. Keeks took his 1%. Some of you took more than 1%. I don't know what else to tell you. I don't know what else to tell you. We're sticking here for Chad, do you want to take a trade? A trade that is maybe not the best trade, or do you want to take the best trade you can take? If you really, no. Chad, we're done. Or I'm done. I don't know about Geeks.
Big Papa Chris has spoken.
I'm done. You can consider, Chad, no. This is you guys forcing me now to give you something. There's nothing for me here. US 30, we took up our piece. Nasdaq is just ugly. And let me just throw a Keegan screen there.
Bro, looking at it, hey, on the firecracker. Ooh. There is DXY, guys. Wait, what are we talking about? On DX? Oh, dollar. Yeah.
Dollar could die from here. 200 EQ.
Kind of fill that gap. It's got a reason and then just collapse.
Yes, I want to take that little firecracker so bad.
Okay,
what I'll do is if I get another firecracker, then I'll take it.
If DXY fails there,
Yeah, then I'll take a little firecracker.
then I think it's definitely game, bro.
Because I've got this little green block. Technically, I should have already been in the firecracker.
Yeah, you should have been.
So
Technically, you should have been.
yeah, Chad, I might take one last little something. Not yet. I'm gonna take a little buy, just a quick. It's gonna be a quick pullback play back to that previous weekly high, just to go and test and reject. I don't even think 60 points, but I'll let you know.
That's 60 points.
That is, bro. It's literally 60 points. It is literally 60 points. Chad, I'm gonna let you know exactly when.
That is crazy, though.
Even that little firecracker earlier was 46 points. It gave you 46. So let's see. I'm going to give it 12 more minutes if we can get a firecracker here. And that will be the last firecracker for the day.
That is crazy, bro. Chad, I'm just saying. We spoke to you today. DXY going up. DXY coming to the EQ. Anything around here. I'm just saying.
No, they're going to park it in the middle, kicks.
They're going to park it right there, bro.
They're going to park it for NFP.
They're like,
what time are we starting with the members tomorrow? 2 o'clock. 2:15. 2 o'clock. One and done. Yeah. I'm going out for dinner. Andrew, enjoy it, my brother. Could you day trade stocks like Apple? Yes. Yeah. 100%. Dylan, 100%. You can trade it exactly like we trade it. Like I told you, that's how my investment video is literally our day trading strat on a weekly time frame. Go exclamation stock. Yeah, dude, I'm waiting for that. You know, that one firecracker candle to.
The firecracker.
Are you also watching it?
I'm watching it, bro. It looks good.
The thing is, it already gave us one cracker. If it gives you two crackers. If it gives you two crackers, that is a bonus. Wait, did somebody say something? Hey, Forsa, I said, yeah, wait, chat. Forsie, sorry, laat ek net gou jou volume bietjie opbring. Damn, I thought I had Forsie. Forsa!
I wanted to ask you a question, so it can be solved. And I just need to know, you think US 30 is going up again?
Do I think it's going up again?
No, you don't think. You look at the market.
Forza Loza. US 30. Let me have a look at it quickly. Give me a second, Forsi. Please don't tell me you are in longs and you're asking that because you...
No. I'm in short.
Whoa, okay.
Hey.
Okay, yeah. Now, Forza, here's the thing. That little green block, the level we're at now, this is where it can reject. Because on a daily, that is your... Let me just see. It's still on Keegan's screen. Check here. Tariq Keegs just... Tariq wants the horn.
Hey, Tariq. Shout for the donor, brother.
So Forsi, this is an area where we can potentially start finding some support, that flat body area there. If not here, the last little bit of where the bulls can really step in is here, 70 points lower. But if we don't get anything there, Forsi, you can actually potentially ride that thing all the way back to the monthly pivot.
Yeah. That's what I was saying, bro. Other than the firecracker thing, but...
Remember, this is the new
shorts,
monthly. Sorry,
yeah.
Kicks, that's the new monthly, Forsi. So that thing can come and test the monthly pivot and then still push up. But yeah, that is...
I just wanted to make sure. I messed up my stop loss with the strat. I don't know what I did, but anyway. Hopefully I learned from it and then... Yeah,
what strat? The firecracker? Or
yeah. No, I messed it up.
60 point. But you learn.
Yeah, that's what it is. No, thank you.
Hey, Forsan, yeah, beautiful, man. Tariq, get that firecracker. Some of you guys are going to go home and your wives are going to be like, what is this firecracker? Hey, baby,
Yeah.
Firecracker is what's going to pay off our debts. You know that holiday you wanted in Bloemfontein when the roses are in bloom?
It's the firecracker.
We are doing it. I always tease my wife and I'm like, there's a little ship coming in. We might be heading to Bloem. She's like, yo, you can talk nonsense. I'm like, you know, the roses in bloom, Rosenstad. Those roses are in bloom. It is just a different town. I don't even if is Bloem a city. Would you classify Bloem as a city, Keegs? Have you been to Bloem?
Yeah.
No.
Okay,
you doubt
no.
doubt.
I would say yeah, bro.
The
If you think of a town like Craddock's a town. Bloem, I'd still say it's a city.
No, it's a city. I'm kidding. I think
There's not much to do there, but it is still a city.
Bloemfontein.
Oh, the Wagwan. As Carl would say, as Chris would say, Mr. Carl James, LLC.
Hey, bro, you gotta pop the LLC. Otherwise, it's not Carl. Then I don't know what Carl James that is.
A long time, new office looks power. Shot, brother.
I only know one Carl, and that's... one Carl James, and that's Carl James LLC. Bro, we need a new playlist.
Chris is taking this one for a proper ride.
Yo, this playlist, I don't know. But I'm going to be honest, there's some bangers here, chat. Non-copyright sounds honestly produced some bangers that you can use. There's maybe 3 that I really enjoy. I still enjoy them when they come on. So it's like, I look forward to them. It's like, oh damn, there's that one.
I get what you're saying. Yeah.
There's one that I actually think this one's like a Keeks. This one is usually when we're quite deep into the stream. It just brings everybody's the emotions down. Similar to tomorrow, NFP.
Yeah.
Like the boys, Chad. Here's the thing: we get in with the NFP. We have our pre-game chat. Keegan gives the boys the rundown. Okay, we're doing X, Y, and Z. Then Andre's gonna ask Keegan, are you entering 23 minutes past or 24 minutes? And then while Keegan is still deciding, you just hear from my side. And then everybody's a little bit rattled. It's like, are you in? Are you in? I'm like, dude, I'm already full ported. And then it's like, damn, let me get in. And then it's like a matter of, is everybody in? And then there's a little bit of calm, Keeks. You've seen it, a little bit of calm. And then I want to say 3 minutes before the time, that's when the panic stations, it's like, where's the margin? Will I survive a little 5 week, a 5 per bottom week? Where's Andre? Andre, please. Last NFP, me and Andre, we were up 150 pips on gold. Did we not get stopped out at break even because we thought we swinging for 4,500 pips?
I eat you.
Bro, that was so silly. Andre's like, yeah, 500%. Oh, no. Okay, break even. I'm also like, yo. And then I still lost it afterwards. Remember what I said? Let me just get rid of this.
Just get rid of this.
Let me just firecracker this down the. No, I'm done, bro.
Yeah.
I'm.
Yeah, guys. I think there's no point sitting around wasting time. I don't think Chris is gonna take his little firecracker trade there.
It's not giving me that.
It's not there. You know what? It's done and dusted for the day. But I think that's it, guys. Obviously, we locked and loaded for NFP for tomorrow. Obviously, we are still training London. London might be a little bit shorter, obviously, just to get off to start setting up, get everything ready for the Friday show tomorrow.
Before we, Keith, just share that link with the guys so they can set a reminder.
So, yeah, you guys can obviously be awake. Make sure you're there. The Friday show. The special guest for tomorrow, we've got Big Ed on, and we've got Miles back in the building with us. So that's going to be a good one tomorrow, guys. So make sure you tune in for that. And then obviously Project G, guys, we are going to be hitting it off at 2 o'clock for NFP. So I hope you guys are ready for that. I know me and Chris said what we said, but don't worry. I'm going to get Chris to do a little grabber kick there with me.
What do you mean? Wait, what do you mean?
For NFP.
No, I'm definitely
We've agreed we're going big on CPI again.
Yeah,
but we're gonna give a little grab. You know what it is, bro.
But
NFP
my grabber kick and your
NFP, we do the lucky number.
NFP we do that tomorrow.
Yeah.
Bro, how's that a grab? That's what I'm saying, Chad. This guy's grabber kicks is like monthly salaries. He's like, grabber kick.
Okay, we'll do less, half of it.
Yeah, no, I'm happy with that.
Okay,
but yo, this man grabber
go.
Kicking somebody's salary tomorrow. It's like somebody worked a month. Keegan's like, give me that salary. Let me grabber kick it there into the corner. Yo.
But all right, guys,
grabber kicks. Bro, we lost the. No, man. What is that?
But we'll have some fun for NFP tomorrow. But Chris, from your side, any closing remarks, bro?
Hey, bro, I don't know what a grabber kick is anymore. We need to establish a baseline or a benchmark to say the grabber kick lower boundary, the grabber kick upper boundary is A and B. But yo, Keek's making me even a little bit nervous now. Tomorrow, some of the Chad. Here's the thing, some of the boys, and we have to chat about that. The 2Gs boys. Some of you guys are throwing like CA and lawyer salaries on me. Like we were talking like maybe just a graduate. Just graduated, but some of you boys are, I'm like, yo, tone it down, bring it back a little bit. CPI has been good. I'm not saying we're going to lose, But I can see what some of you have been doing with CPI. You've been compounding those wins, and don't do that. I promise you, I see as the guys leave, the guys that stay will get value here. Even if you hit 7 CPIs, okay, that is 7, nice. You caught 7 CPIs, you made 200k, whatever. If you put that entire 200k on the 8th CPI, you lose it. All of those previous 7 for nothing. I'm not saying if you want to take 200k that you've made with us so far with CPI, take 50, but at least be net positive, okay? And I actually had a chat with Keegan the other day when I saw some of you, the size that you were going, and it obviously makes sense. Some of you started with 5k, then it was 20, then it was 50, then whatever. But all I'm saying is take a tip from me. There is going to come a day with CPI where we get it wrong or it's a non-event. So please. That's all for me, Keegs. Looking forward to the show tomorrow.
Nah, I think that's everything, guys. Going to be a good one tomorrow. So as always, thank you to all of you for popping in. We're going to make sure. Guys, is the mid-40 code only valid for one use? No, it's not just valid for one use. If you read there, it says for July. So the month we are now in is no longer July.
We'll get a new one out.
So we will get a new one out. If you're in Project G, you guys will definitely have a new one coming out. But other than that, guys, take care of yourself, take care of each other, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace and love, baby. Cheers.
I want you to stay. 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 I want you to stay.
Cause I don't want nobody change me now. Cause I like to be myself. If you're not agree, you can walk away. You can walk away. You can walk away. Something in my mind makes me think I ain't nobody perfect. Something in my mind makes me think I ain't nobody perfect. 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 Ain't nobody body feel great. me think there ain't nobody perfect. Something in my mind makes me think there ain't nobody perfect. Ain't nobody perfect. Ain't nobody perfect. Ain't nobody perfect. Ain't nobody perfect.